Ciiko cia umaramari kirima-ini no ithii na mbere na gutuada kuona kuma mweri wa gatandatu mwaka muhituku nginyagia mweri wa kana mwaka uyu macira 531 ma unyamarania wa kimwiri na uhami nimo mandikithitio gitaru-ini kia Mount Kenya. Kaunti ya Kiambu, Nyeri na Murang'a ikioneka gukorwo na uthina uyu makiria, guku nacio kaunti cia Kirinyaga na Nyandarua ikioneka kugeria hanini ona gutuika ona kuo to kwega.
131 cases of that are affecting the children and generally even the men and the women. We have 515 cases pending in court. We have 10 cases pending investigation and 6 cases pending arrests. That makes a total of 531.
Ciiko cia kuhama ciana kimwiri kaunti ya Nyeri niyo itongoretie na macira 93. Kaunti ya Kiambu igiuka ya keri na macira 87, Murang'a ya gatatu na macira 81, Kirinyaga ya kana macira 75, guku nacio ciana 36 ikihamo kimwiri kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua.
The Directorate of Criminal Investigations is undertaking investigations into all reported cases involving violence against children, and any person found responsible will face the full force of the law.
Unyitani wa kiahinya hari andu agima, kaunti ya Kiambu ikiandikithia macira 23, Nyeri 17, Murang'a 16, Kirinyaga macira 15, nayo kaunti ya Nyandarua ikiandikithia andu 10.
Why are all these things happening at this time? What is it that we can do? Because the government has sent us here and we are here to ensure that every child, every woman and every man enjoys their right to life, their right of movement, their right of association. And it cannot happen if we are living under fear.
Minister wa Jeda Fururine Hana Wedot Cheptumo agikomithia ciiko cia kunyamaria ciana kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, Murang'a na Tharaka Nithi na makiria kurago gwa ciana 2 iria cironekanire rũĩ-ini rwa Kiama mwena wa Gatanga. Tharaka Nithi magithuthuria gikuũ gia kana karia karorite na karoneka koragitwo mwena wa Mukothima, guku nakuo mwena wa Karati na Nyeri. Travis wa Njohi uria orite kwa makiria ma mweri umwe akioneka oragitwo na mwiri wake ugateo hũgũrũrũ-ini cia rũĩ rwa Ragati.
The loss of innocent children is painful, distressing, and unacceptable. These incidences collectively point to a worrying trend involving violence, neglect, abuse, and exploitation of children.
Hari ciiko cia kwiruta muoyo gitaru kia Mount Kenya kumanagia mweri wa gatandatu mwaka muhituku, andu 680 kiruta muoyo kuria kaunti ya Nyeri iri 127 merutete muoyo na njira itiganite.
These vices, His Excellency the President is every day going around the country, launching projects, launching markets, launching the roads. Who is going to use them if we have these kind of things? If we have 680 cases of suicide, who is going to live in those houses? Who is going to go to those schools? And that is why as a ministry we have come and we have sat and we have agreed on the way forward.
Kurumirira thina uyu, ministry ino na ngwataniro-ini na regional commissioner wa gitaru gia gatagati wa bururi magitangatha mucemanio wa honge itiganite uria ugutabanio kaunti-ini ya Nyeri kana gakiumia giukite niguo gwethana na njira cia kuhitana na ng'enyo iria cituikite na makuhia na guturia andu na maithori.
Is that within 90 days we have an RRI, that is a rapid response, to ensure that in the entire Central Province, this issue comes to a complete halt. And within 1 year, to be precise, or no before the end of 1 year, we should not have any of these cases.
Hadu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, Jeta Theuri wa Bogo.